For decades, high-energy lasers were experimental defense projects. In March of 2026, they became operational battlefield systems. During live rocket fire from Lebanon, Israel reportedly used a high-energy laser to intercept aerial threats, marking one of the first sustained integrations of directed energy defense in active conflict, effectively changing how wars are calculated. Welcome to the Hidden Blueprint, where we uncover these invisible systems reshaping our world. If you're new here, subscribe and like for in-depth system breakdowns like this one. For years, lasers lingered in development. Now they're transforming warfare, with the implications for global security. We'll discover how these systems address traditional defense flaws, and what it signals for the future. It begins with Israel's persistent threats. Systems like Iron Dome fire missiles to down rockets and drones, which are reliable, but costly, with interceptors at $50,000 to $100,000 each. In sustained attacks from groups like Hamas or Hezbollah, volleys deplete reserves quickly. The core issue: finite ammunition and escalating expenses in extended conflicts, as evidenced by the 2021 Gaza escalation where Iron Dome launched over 1,500 interceptors in 11 days. The blueprint shifts to directed energy weapons, DEWs, using focused light to neutralize targets at light speed. Israel explored lasers since the 1990s, collaborating with the US on the Nautilus program, testing chemical lasers against Katyusha rockets in the early 2000s. The game changer: Rafael Advanced Defense Systems Iron Beam, unveiled in 2014 as a 100-kilowatt solid-state laser. Post-2021 conflicts accelerated it, with $500 million funding from the Israeli Ministry of Defense and US support. By late 2025, it entered final testing phases and moved toward deployment integration, layering with Iron Dome. The pivotal moment hit in early 2026. During heightened clashes with Hezbollah, Israel employed Iron Beam in combat. Per the Israeli Defense Forces and outlets like Defense Blog and the Times of Israel, it downed rockets and drones from Lebanon in March 2026, one of the first sustained integrations of a ground-based high-energy laser in active conflict. Amid a barrage, Iron Beam's radar-tracked threats, then unleashed a beam to incinerate them mid-air, all at the cost of electricity, dramatically cheaper than interceptor missiles. How does it operate? Stations employ radar and AI for detection. The laser concentrates energy on a pinpoint, vaporizing in seconds. Minimal debris, no explosives. Rafael's mobile units, truck-mounted, cover kilometers. It draws power from generators or grids, allowing sustained fire without reloading. Drawbacks persist: fog or dust diffuse the beam, but tests yield 90% hits in clear conditions. Compared to Iron Dome's kinetic strikes, Iron Beam provides endless shots, with power shifting from ammo scarcity to energy reliance. This marks a global turn. The US observes keenly, with programs like Helios on ships incorporating Iron Beam data. Nations like China and the UK accelerate pursuits. The blueprint: the battlefield is becoming electrical. If defense scales with electricity rather than stockpiles, then grid resilience, mobile power systems, and energy density become strategic assets. Direct energy weapons are effectively redefining warfare as we know it. How do you think these laser systems will change warfare? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more uncovers. This is the Hidden Blueprint. Thank you for watching.